I love this spectacle of the birds at this time, 5:30. This will be just before they are going to sleep dance. I don't know if I can record them, but they are a lot in the sky. Too beautiful. And they go all in group, dancing in the sky. Oh my God, it's too beautiful. And they go from tree to tree. Look, now they left somewhere. I don't know where they are now, but they are coming. Look, they are coming. See, and lots of them. Too beautiful. They fly all together. Look, wow, such a beautiful thing. You cannot see in the city these things. Huh? They are living on those two trees. This tree here and this tree here. They are living there. Look. And they go in group. All in group. Now they divide two groups. Look. Now they two groups. My God. I'm not sure if I'm able to catch them. Look at them. My God. That is such a beautiful thing. Can you believe I never saw it before? I never saw something before, just only here now in Chiang village in this Songkran festivity 2554 with Meta. I don't know if I am recording it and you can see the movement of the birds. Wow. They left. Joshua, see the birds all together. That is such a big thing. Such a beautiful thing. Wow. It's so relaxing for the mind. They left, but they will return. They will return. Perhaps I will go closer. I will go closer. Where they are, because they are living here on these trees. So they do this dance before they are going to sleep. Look, 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 they are there. And then now there is another kind. They want to join them. Or they do by themselves, a different group. Look, they are coming. They are coming there. Wow. They are going very high, huh? Yes, the another ones join them. They are going so high. Look. I don't know if my camera can record them. Look at them. My God. And the moon is just too beautiful. Look, look, look. Then they separate the group, go there. The another group coming here. Wow. Every evening is the same dance of birds. To feel such a vibration of the unity and integration that they have in this dance. Wow, you see? Too beautiful. Too amazing. That all of them can join together to do the dance before they will go to sleep. Look, they divide into those two groups. One is coming here, the other is coming here. Wow. They divided. Wow. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Now one group goes somewhere. They separate. The another ones are coming again to join. Look at this. Wow. They come closer. They separate. They come back again all together. Do you know before, when the man was so close to nature, no? They could observe those events. Because I am living in a city, we don't observe these things. We don't have a lot of trees. We only have stones around buildings, so we cannot observe these things. But this is a therapy. You know how we had complicated our life, no? Psychologists had created a lot of techniques how to make relax the mind. And when the man was close to nature, he didn't need to create techniques, but he just observed nature and lived simple life. Wow. You could feel what I feel. You know the movement, the energy of this group there. You can see the feel of one energy. Like a vibration to it. Huh? And what you see, you feel. Look. I hope I could catch. Can you feel the vibration? Something rare. Look at this. Why? It's going. Wow. Lovely. Wow, 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 wow. They contract and they expand. And the chicken starts to announce it's the time to go to sleep. The roses, where they are now. Lovely. I don't know where they left now. Look, they're coming. So cute. Look, 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 look. So cute. Oh my child, the birds, very beautiful dance, the birds. Ma, the bird dancing, ma. Bye bye. Bye bye. Where? They're coming. Okay, I think it's good for people. They start to settle on the tree. They start to come to the tree. They start to come by. See, they start to come to the trees. See, they come to the trees. You see? Close to the trees and go. such an exercise before they're going to sleep, huh? They exercising themselves in groups before they will go to sleep. Look, 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 they are coming now. They're coming to the tree. Can you believe that tree is the home of so many birds living there together and sharing a tree and sharing a dance every evening? I don't know if in the morning time they are doing so. But this dance is like a Tai Chi movement, you know? Like a Falun Gong movement. Yes. It's like the egg in the sky. Okay. I think it's they start to come.